Programming can be difficult and overwhelming. There are tons of language and tools out there. On this channel I am going to make a programming fun and simple for you. I have tons of video on programming language like Python, JavaScript, as well as popular tools and framework for building web and AI application. If you look down below, I have created various playlists so you can focus on the video that are relevant to you. My name is Mohammad Aleem Raza. I am software engineer with 5-year experience and I have taught many people how to code and how to become a professional software engineer. I love what I do and I am so excited to have you on my channel. So if your dream is to learn programming or become better programmer, subscribe to get started.